Good evening. My name is Sabur Foot, and I represent the Shrine Foundation. But before I start talking about our foundation, I would like us to go back in time. And I'm trying to show you how one man can change the world. But I need your help. So, do you know this man? Can you recognize this man? Okay, I help you. This is a statue of him in Boston. It's a little bit cheaty because this is only half of the statue. I should do the full one.
And what about that?
I tell you the secret. His name is Nick Hoyt, and with the chair, his son, Rick Hoyt. And altogether they are Tim Hoyt from Boston. So Rick Hoyt, the son, was diagnosed with cerebral palsy, which is a very specific brain damage. He couldn't control his muscles. And the doctor said to the family that a lot of voice should hospitalized or institutionalized because he will be a vegetable for his whole life. And the family didn't believe. So the father started a sport activity with his son, started running. And actually, because of his runs, they innovated the sport pushing chairs. We can see on the left, it's a push chair from a hospital, and on the right, there is an advanced professional sport chair, hangs to down, and without the effort. So they ran with so many things, so many marathons, and their best marathon effort is 2 hours 40 minutes. As a sportsman, I can tell you, 2 hours 40 minutes, that's place good time. That's very professional running, especially when you are pushing an 80 kilograms heavy boy in a chair, which is also 80 kilograms. That's a crazy effort. And they did cut that because they understand how George Philly, the son as well. So they started cycling. They innovated the cycling system. They started swimming. And I finished altogether about almost 300 triathlons and 6 Ironmans. But I cannot understand this sort of effort. And what happened, they got recognition from national and international levels as well. And guess what? When the boy was 11 years old, the computer was so advanced, so we could start to communicate via computers, and they realized the boy is intelligent, very intelligent. In 1993, he graduated from Boston University with a special education, and he started to working for Boston College Computer Laboratory to help the communication and now the tasks with people with special needs. So this is him as a computer college professor. And I'm pretty sure that you know another man as well from the history who had a very similar story. I'll show you a picture. This is Stephen Hawking. Some said that he's definitely the brightest mind of his second half of the 20th century, the Earth, and could communicate in that computer. And he's Peter Kostosh, once visited the Boston Marathon, and he told me the story how he was running with the team poet, surrounded, and the team was surrounded with so many athletes, and there was one man standing in the middle of the running path during the marathon when thousands of people are running, and that man had no right arm, and the man had a very short left arm, floating on the left arm, taking photos with his nose. It's because Tim Hoyt was that famous in the United States, and they have this kind of super recognition. So there was the idea to start something in Hungary. So the Shori Foundation was founded in 2010, as a non-profit organization with the aim to share the joy of sports with the people. So it's a kind of integrated community where healthy and we said that people can grow together and exercise together. And our goal is kind of slowly weaken human strength, but actually weaken each other's strength. Because as a human being, I'm sure that we are built to do things together. It produces hormones now, the oxytocin, adrenaline, endorphins, etc. So doing physical exercise not only makes you healthier, but it makes you happier, especially when you do it someone else. But as you see, there is an amazing athlete in a wheelchair there, and we had to figure out how to help for disabled athletes, how to help with physical challenges, how to help mental change athletes, how to help blind athletes or visually impaired athletes. So we had to figure out how to train as in this special way in Hungary. But I'm sure that when we wear this global armor and race, and it makes us stronger, and with quite looking people cheering us there and giving a voice how enthusiastic they are. And the next step was to, doing something more outdoor activities. So we have handbikes, running money for adults, and also tandem bikes where a blind person can cycle together and then do a very good athlete who can combine 100 kilometers every time. It's a crazy number. And the next step was the Shore Fitness, the first integrated fitness gym in Hungary, where, of course, healthy and the disabled people but athletes can work together. And it's the main point was the accessibility. Usually the accessibility stops at the gate, but we have accessible water facilities, changing rooms, and also specially trainers and can help, blind people how to use the machines. And the machines are not simple ones because they were designed to use people in the wheelchair. So the whole thing is very unique in so many ways, not only in design, but the machines what we use and the attitude of how to use that. And I tell you a personal story. Once I was in Weekend Sons there, and I'm surrounded with 5 athletes. Usually it's an incredibly stressful situation, but all the 5 athletes were behind. So I tell you, it's the best chance to feel even ashamed for using, for example, smaller planes for my biceps situation like that. And we also have a multi-development program for children for the special education schools in Budapest for free. And with the help of ongoing, and we and the parents of parents community program, because it's very difficult sometimes for parents, families living with children with special needs. We are strongly believe that they need a kind of spiritually recharged, and they need some that they have to face their questions, their needs, their answers according to their special situation. We'll be running the swimming or session for all our people, children and adults as well, for more than 11 years. And the special training, and the group trainings are free, and most of the costs are covered by the foundation or the one-on-one training as well. And we've got this attitude to shape people programs where schools and companies to come us, and we can do it in English and in Hungarian, and in order to change the view towards the people on special needs. And I can't tell you how much fun they could have when they realize for some of the students realize of Chino's how good a wheelchair is a racing car, I think. And there is the Shoreham 6, which is our 6-hour-long running competition, and it's in the middle of the capital, at the avenue of Randy on Marmot Island, and it's not only a charity run, but it's very, very dedicated, very unique run. And just I choose this photo because not this photo. I need to realize that I've got some friends like in Middle, Bella Sobonch, who is the most decorated photo runner of the country for the last 3 years. In this year, he won our 3 national competition, national title, and running it 6 hours, 12 hours, and 100 kilometers. Crazy numbers, should not have to understand it. I don't understand it. And this one, he's in Bulgarianch. He's the most decorated foot runner of all time. So everyday runners, fun runners also come, but really good professional runners also come to this 6 hours running, which starts at midnight and which on the day upon him to do. Some runners. So it's quite a beautiful team, and it can be completed in teams and individuals as well. And in 2022, we went to Berlin Marathon for 7th time. We took March to it. And in this group, there were the 3 athletes using hand-bike. All of them, all the 3 finished their first marathon in this race, which is one of the 6 major marathons in the earth, and the very, very famous Stu Trump. And Shadow Longmanty finished 23rd in his first marathon out of 100 competitors. So it's such a great privilege to be there. And there were 3 blind men visually impaired athletes with 6 guides, and 8 charity runners, and 1 runner who was one of us. So it was such a special thing together. And Telco VDG, which is one of the biggest and most successful running event, is going to happen this weekend. And then the very first day is the Dane Shoreham Foundation, where thousands and thousands of people, it will be this Saturday, wearing the same color, sharing the same ideas, and, raise the attention, not a first moment to the Shoreham Foundation, but to the goal, the aim on the foundation and recognition. And I to tell you a very personal thing. Once I met Chombo on Monday, a blind athlete, who asked me to help him to finish a Spartan race. I don't know if you're good about anything about Spartan race, but it's a trail run with some really heavy bits, right? Carrying a 50 kilogram of concrete ball from one coming to another. And I just had a feeling that how am I going to tell him what to do? How am I going to tell him how to crawl under the barbed wire in a stream, for example? So it's a really amazing feeling how to do it someone that cannot see a single thing. So this is about the Shoreham Foundation, and I'm only one of the 300 active volunteers of the foundation. And there's one other thing which happened just now. Last week, there were 25,000 of disabled persons checking into the gym. 25,000. It's an enormous number during the active reform phase of this integrated teaching. And if you don't learn, I've been launching to work together for short film, which summarizes our first development years.
A színeket, ha nem leled, s az életet szürkén éled. Csak higgy nekem, ha téged is bánt, én is pont így éltem. Nézd, a súly leránt, de lépj tovább, soha nem kell félned már. Ez az út, és ez a világ,
3, 2, 1,
Lásd a csodát, és éld velem át. Nézd, milyen gyönyörű, olyan gyönyörű, soha ne bánt, ha lépni muszáj, s nem leszel egyedül, olyan egyedül. Gyere, szólj újra szét a régi fényt, ahogyan soha még a múlt visszaránt. Tégy csodát, te is igazán. Lásd a csodát, és éld velem át. Nézd, milyen gyönyörű, olyan gyönyörű, soha ne bánt, ha lépni muszáj, s nem leszel egyedül, olyan egyedül. Gyere, szólj újra szét a régi fényt, ahogyan soha még a múlt visszaránt. Tégy csodát, te is igazán. Lásd a csodát, s éld velem át. Nézd, milyen gyönyörű, olyan gyönyörű, soha ne bánt, ha lépni muszáj, s nem leszel egyedül, olyan egyedül. Lásd a csodát, és éld velem át. Nézd, milyen gyönyörű, olyan gyönyörű, soha ne bánt, ha lépni muszáj, s nem leszel egyedül, olyan egyedül, s igazán. Lásd a csodát, s éld velem át. Nézd, milyen gyönyörű,